Data acquisition is the process of sampling real-world physical information and the conversion of those samples into digital values that computers and controllers can understand. This information is often used to implement control logic operations, like the turning on and off of a fan based on the temperature, the turning on of a pump based on tank level, and the opening of a valve based on pressure levels. Data acquisition information can be collected by a computer running SCADA software, a touchscreen HMI, or a PLC. Data can be logged or displayed on the screen. You can turn equipment on or off with the push of a button. Data acquisition modules read values, sort them in memory, and share the data from memory when requested by PLCs, controllers, or software. The main inputs measured by data acquisition systems are voltage, temperature, strain and pressure, current, and more. Data acquisition components include analog to digital converters. Analog information is a variable or adjustable measurement like temperature, pressure, and flow rate. A digital value is either on or off. A light and light switch is an example of something that can be either on or off. A dimmable light is a variable in intensity and therefore is analog. The ET7017 is a web-based Ethernet I/O module that features a built-in web-aligned configuration, I/O monitoring, and I/O controls by simply using a regular web browser. The M7017 is a data acquisition and control module that supports Modbus RTU. And the EIP 2017 supports voltage and current input types. Thermocouples and other sensors is a device used to give quantified data from a given physical quantity. The CL201E is a remote CO temperature humidity dew-point data logger module. The CL201WF is a remote CO temperature humidity dew-point data logger with Ethernet, RS-485, Wi-Fi interfaces, and power over Ethernet. It supports Modbus RTU and MQTT protocols. The DL10 is a RS-485 remote temperature and humidity data logger. Signal conditioning products are manipulating the analog signal to simplify processing or acquiring of the signal. The SG3016 is a strain gauge input to voltage current output. The SG3011 is an isolated thermocouple input module with optical isolation. It provides voltage or current output. And the SG3013 is an isolated RTD input module that provides voltage or current output. The most common analog and digital data acquisition hardware communicate using Modbus TCP, Modbus RTU, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, BACnet, Profibus, CAN Open, and DeviceNet protocols. To learn more about our data acquisition systems, visit our website or contact a member of the ICP-DAS USA team.